How are you doing, my lovely people? If you want to take a break from the regular, then try this sandwich pizza. So I add some shredded chicken and I'm adding all my spices, my seasoning cubes, my salt, cumin, chili pepper. Now I'm following up with some yogurt. Have you ever tried marinating your chicken in yogurt? What you will have is very juicy chicken that is well charred on the outside but juicy and soft inside. So I marinated this overnight so that all the seasoning and all the spices would be well infused. The next day, I brought it out, added some cooking oil to my pan, and I added the chicken. I added everything, including the juice of the chicken, because everything will make sense by the time this chicken is well cooked. So you want to make sure you're stir frying this so that it does not get burnt, but at the same time, it's getting cooked. What I will tell you is that it might take some time, but at the end of the day, you're going to have very lovely chicken. I added some lemon juice as well because this just ties up everything together. And as you guys can see, my chicken is getting cooked at this point. I covered it for another 8 minutes. So let's say in total, I cooked the chicken for 15 minutes. After then, I added some onions, some green pepper, and I stir fried this further because the chicken has to cook. Nobody likes uncooked chicken. Now that is almost done. I'm getting ready to make my pizza. In my pizza pan, I've added some oil and I'm just brushing all that so that it doesn't stick. So this bread loaves are like pre-made. I bought it in the store just like it. If you have pizza dough, you can use your pizza dough. If you have any topping like this, then it is fine. So I'm just like rubbing some tomato sauce on it because this is like pizza and this is like sandwich at the same time. We're just going to mimic like as if we're making pizza, but like a sandwich because it's not big enough to make an entire pizza. So let's just say these are like mini pizzas or sandwich, whatever you might call it. So I've added some of my chicken that I cooked, the chicken that I cooked previously. It's cool now. I left it to cool for a bit and I'm adding this to my base, my bread base with my tomato, then the chicken. I'll be adding some cheese because what is like pizza without cheese? Even though it is mini pizzas, it doesn't mean that it should be lacking anything. I'm sure you agree with me. So I'm adding some cheese to it. I'm adding some mayo because at the same time it's a sandwich. I'll be covering it with another bread base. And guys, I'm not going to stop here because we need extra moisture and juiciness. I'm adding some more some more cheese at the top, and I'm just going to follow up with some more mayo. So just feel free to customize it according to how you want it. I'll be adding some dried parsley leaves just for extra garnishing and for everything extra. So I baked this in the oven for 15 minutes, and after which it was done, and I'm just cutting it to show you how it looks at this point. So like I said, if you want something different, try this. It was so yummy. It's a sandwich, it's pizza, it's anything you call it. Feel free to name it anything you want. I am sure you would love it just the way I did. The kids loved it. I think I even loved it better. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.